baby, running away from your mama like that. Now you come right out of there, or I will get my hairbrush and I will spank you right on your little divey. Nancy, like I always say, it ain't the work, it's the world. Now you get right back in your little bed. Now it's time for your dinner, and here it is. Now, I am going downtown and buy me a new girdle, and you stay right in your little bed, or I will spank you again, and